Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Hong Kong. So if you're planning to come here in Hong Kong as a tourist or as a domestic helper, the first thing to do is you must buy your SIM card and also your Octopus card. So this is your Octopus card. So when you arrive in Hong Kong airport, you can look for the ticketing office or ticketing booth, and also for the MTR station counter. You can buy your octopus there for amounting 150 Hong Kong dollar. For the octopus only, it's $50, and the 100 Hong Kong dollar is for your remaining balance, so you can use it for your train or your bus, and then you can conveniently ride on the bus going to your destination. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Hong Kong. So I'm here at the Ripples Bay Beach where I am passing by going to bus station. So dahil walang laman yung octopus natin, itatap up natin sa 7-Eleven. So ano nga ba yung octopus? So ito yung octopus. Ito yung gagamitin natin pang bayad sa bus, sa mga train, and also pwede rin natin gamitin pambili ng mga goods sa convenience store and grocery store. So, para malaman natin, didiscuss ko mamaya. So, sabahan nyo muna akong mag-top up ng aking Octopus card sa 7-Eleven. So, let's go guys. And papasok tayo sa 7-Eleven. So, tatawid pa tayo. Ayan, 7-Eleven. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Okay. 200 please. So, ayan. Binigyan ko siya ng... Okay, receipt please. Thank you. So, ito na guys. Mayroon na tayong pamasahe sa bus. So, I will explain to you later. At pupunta muna tayo sa bus station. So, watch out, may taxi. Okay, let's go now. Again, the octopus is $50. And when you buy the Octopus card, you need to pay 150, including the remaining balance. So if you finish already your Octopus card and you don't need to use it, example, you're a tourist, so when you go back to airport, you can return it to the MTR station booth, and you can refund your $50. But if you are working here in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, you can still use it until how many years? Because there is no validity. The octopus has no validity, so you can still use it as long as you can. It's more cheaper and convenient when using Octopus card than using coins or buying a tickets. Example, if you ride a train and you don't have Octopus card, so you will buy a ticket like that, the train tickets. So the train tickets is more expensive than using the Octopus card, because Octopus card is already discounted. And when you pay on the bus or tram or minibus, and you don't have octopus also, so you have to drop your coins or $10 bills. So example, your money is $10 and the bus fare is $5.50. 50. So you have no choice. You have to drop your $10, and the driver won't return your exchange. How to add value to your Octopus card? Simply go to your ticketing office booth like that. There you can add your Octopus there, or you can buy ticket there also. And also you can go to the counter of the MTR station. You can add value there to the counter and also in the machine. And you can also go to the convenience store like 7-Eleven and Circle K and some other convenience store that are accepting to add value to your Octopus card. Your Octopus card also, you can use it to use for the grocery shop and also fast food. So Octopus is very easy to use and convenient. You can also avail a money back guarantee when riding a train or a bus. Like for example, when you ride a bus or a train, you tap the Octopus card first, and when you get off, you have to tap it again, and then you can see on your Octopus that Octopus card balance, that the money back guarantee is already in your card. You can see directly in the monitor that the Octopus return your $2 money back guarantee. When using your Octopus card, example, if you have two cards in your wallet, you cannot put them together because when you tap it to the machine, it will make an error. So when you use your Octopus card together, it's better to have your wallet that have division, so that when you tap it to the machine, it won't make an error because the machine cannot read your card. And also you cannot use the child Octopus card and the elderly card if you are already an adult, because each card, like for example for the child, the fare of the child is different compared to the adult and to the elderly, and it has different sound also, each card. So if you use that card, you violate the law of the MTR Corporation, and they will catch you automatically because your card is monitored by the MTR station. So be careful when using your card. Maybe you are the one bring the card of your employer's daughter or employer's parents when you are working here in Hong Kong. So you must be careful and aware of. By the way guys, the Octopus can also download to your Play Store, and you can use it for your online payments. So I hope you guys learned something, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next upload. And please also check my playlist here in Hong Kong, and tips on how to apply here in Hong Kong if you are planning to come here in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. So thank you for watching. Bye. We'll teach you guys how to buy the ticket to the MTR machine. So let's cancel this one. Example, we are here in Hong Kong. So you are here in Hong Kong and you want to go to Hong Kong Disneyland. So we press Disneyland, and the amount of Disneyland is 30 Hong Kong dollars. So if you use the Octopus card, you only pay $23, but if you use cash, so you have to pay 30 Hong Kong dollars. So the machine accepts $10, 20, and 50, and also 50 cents, $1, $2, 5, and 10. So you have to insert your cash here and your coins here, and you can collect your card here including your exchange. So Octopus is more convenient when using MTR and bus transportation. You can check also the remaining balance of your Octopus card here. So Octopus ticket inquiries. So you can just tap your card here and then you can see how much is your remaining balance. Here in the MTR station. So this one guys with an X is an exit. So we go to the entrance. So that one is the entrance and this is the MTR station booth. So you can buy your Octopus card here or you can add your value here. And when you enter the MTR, you have to just tap on the Octopus logo. So that's all guys. Hope you learned something and thank you for watching. So